Yes, certainly. When we talk about lethargy, it all starts with the mind and then manifests itself into the body. Therefore, it's very important for you to get motivated. For you to get motivated, you need to set goals. You need to know why is it that you want to get fit, what is it that fitness and health will do to you. And once you have those things established with you, certainly you will get over the lethargy. You will make sure that you develop the habits and the protocols to make sure you are very regularly fit, pursuing the right nutrition, the right workouts, and resting very well, following your human health tripod. Habits are great at facilitating the objective that you want to achieve. If you have a certain goal, there is an important element of habit that will either help you achieve that goal or will undo everything that you have set yourself up for. So therefore, it's very important to have a great morning ritual with yourself, such as doing some stretches in the morning. So what you can do is, at least when you wake up, brush your teeth, make sure that you just give me 5 squats. Just do them. Don't worry about whether I'm doing a great workout, because a great workout is a workout that is skipped. So make sure that you at least give me 5 squats after you brush your teeth, go for your shower, and continue your day. If you want to ensure that your regular workouts are giving you the results that you're looking for, that you're working towards, that you're investing your time, please make sure that you are having the right nutrition with sufficiently hydrating yourself, at least having 3 liters of water, because that can do tremendous benefit to your health, and vice versa. If you don't do that, then that will be very unhealthy. So having 3 liters of water is very important. Avoiding smoking completely is very important. Not having excessive alcohol is very important. Removing junk food is very important. Removing sugar is very important. So this is what will encompass your diet planning if you want to get healthy. Don't stop. Don't stop your workouts is the first thing that you need to do. It's a complete no-no if you're doing the bare minimum. That is one thing. Secondly is the lack of knowledge at times that people have. They are not able to actually appreciate how they are supposed to start with their warm-up, how they are supposed to understand their body, what the workout that they're doing does to them. Is it catering to all the 5 components of fitness, which is cardiovascular endurance, muscular strength, body composition, and also flexibility. So therefore, if you want to have a comprehensive workout which is safe, which is effective, you need to ensure that you are hiring at least a professional to give you the right advice and make you work out on the other hand. And also, it is very important for you to cool down appropriately and be hydrated, so that the sweat that you are giving out in your bare minimum workouts or your regular workouts is replenished again. If you want more such advice, more such recommendation, more such content coming out, please follow my channel on different social media, and also follow the 8 rounds on Disney Plus Hotstar, and you are certain to get your daily dose of fitness in a very convenient, very fun, and very effective and scientific way.